Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best QuickBooks plan for freelancers/sole proprietors. As a freelancer and a sole proprietor myself, I've been through the process of figuring out which QuickBooks product is the best fit, and frankly, it can be confusing. I've used both the self-employed version, which is now branded as QuickBooks Solopreneur, and the standard QuickBooks Online Simple Start. After tracking my income and expenses across both, I can tell you exactly which one I recommend and why. For most freelancers and sole proprietors, the best choice is QuickBooks Solopreneur. Why Solopreneur? Because it's built specifically for our tax situation. As a Schedule C filer, my main goal is to track income, categorize expenses for maximum deduction, and estimate my quarterly taxes. Solopreneur is fantastic for this. Here's my breakdown of the key features. Tax focus. It's all about the Schedule C. Solopreneur automatically categorizes your expenses using the official tax categories, making it a seamless transition when it's time to file. It also calculates your estimated quarterly taxes, which has been a lifesaver for avoiding late penalties. Business/personal separation. This is huge for me. Solopreneur is designed to link your personal and business accounts and let you swipe transactions as business or personal. Since I've occasionally mixed things up, this simple sorting feature has saved me hours of manual reconciliation. Mileage tracking. If you drive for business, the automatic mileage tracker on the mobile app is a game changer. It uses GPS to log your trips, and you just swipe to classify them. That's one of the easiest deductions you can claim. Invoicing. It handles basic invoicing, which is all I really need. You can create and send professional invoices, and track which ones are paid and which are overdue. Now, let's briefly address QuickBooks Online Simple Start. Simple Start is great, but it's designed for small businesses that might grow to hire employees, manage inventory, or use double entry accounting. It's more scalable, but it's also more complicated and generally more expensive. It doesn't have that same direct, specialized focus on your self-employment taxes that Solopreneur does, unless you plan to incorporate hire W-2 employees or need a full balance sheet. Solopreneur gives you everything you need without the unnecessary complexity. The bottom line from my experience: QuickBooks Solopreneur offers a perfect balance of simplicity, essential features, and powerful tax prep tools specifically tailored for the one-person operation. It keeps your books simple so you can focus on your clients. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.